Hello guys, welcome back to another video, and in today's video I've just met up with MA18YES. He was also known as L77LKM.
Yeah, before my Insta got hacked.
Before his Instagram got hacked. I managed to get it back somehow, and then he just completely stopped all his Instagram and his YouTube. But he asked me a couple weeks ago whether he should start up another one, and I said yeah, why not. So he started up another one. Obviously I'll link his Instagram and his new channel in the description, so you should go subscribe to him. Shaun, what's yours? What's your Instagram and your...
My Instagram is a bit weird because it's like 5H4UN.
I'll put them both on screen.
Underscore M1L35.
And do you have a YouTube?
Gingy official.
So I'll link both of their channels in the description, so go follow them and subscribe to their channel. So this is the second time Liam's been in my car, but he hasn't told me what he thinks about it. So what do you think about my car?
It smells really good. No, it does, smells really nice. I like the fact that you've got a touchscreen display for your radio.
Yeah.
I think that makes like the car stand out a bit more.
Yeah.
It's nice and tidy as well. See, it needs a little bit of a hoover, but so does mine.
Yeah.
Hey, yeah. No, I like it. It's like standard. You've not changed too much in it.
No, I'll put wind deflectors on. Just it
yeah.
makes it look a bit sportier, and they actually work. So
I mean, are you gonna plan to do something like I done with my centre console, like carbon fibre or something?
I might wrap this carbon or put this gloss black to match obviously the paint work.
Yeah.
These on the steering wheel are probably, I was thinking carbon fibre or gloss black, one of the two, just so it like,
are you
matches.
Going for like a sort of theme colour, or are you just all black?
All black, but like obviously hints of chrome. Like I'm not sure whether to do my front grille from chrome to black, but yeah, we'll see.
You gonna do anything to the back box, like my car?
I'm probably gonna get a Hornet back box in the summer.
Yeah.
Just to make it sound raspier and louder. Basically, the emissions won't be affected. It's just literally a resonator, the back boxes, which cancels noise more. But
so yeah, guys, if you like are thinking to change your back box, like don't worry. I don't think you even have to declare with your insurance, do you?
I'm not sure, but I would just be on the safe side, just saying, oh, I've changed my back box, it's a Hornet back box or whatever back box you've got.
But be aware your insurance could go up if you change too much to your car, obviously.
Yeah.
Hence why me and Ben have started doing only small things like the interior, because you don't have to declare that. Like a cone air filter, you don't have to declare that. But if you're going to start doing like stupid things like changing your whole exhaust system and everything, and lowering it, you have to declare all of that.
Wheels, if you get a different size wheels, or colour sometimes, but I don't think they're too fussed about colour. Or you basically exterior and things that change the performance of the car basically. So say if you get
whack a fat turbo
on it, you're gonna have to say I've modified it and I've put these on it. So basically you have to give them your mod list.
I mean, if you guys are thinking about getting a car as well, it's always good to check that the previous owner has not done anything to the car as well. No, because that can affect your insurance premium and stuff.
And like say if you did get stopped and you'd said on your insurance that it hasn't been modified, but the previous owner hasn't told you that it has, you could get obviously done for it because it is modified, but you should have asked basically. So I'd always be careful when you're buying a car to always see and check and ask whether they have modified it in any sort of way.
Yeah, but no, I like the car. It's like nice and tidy. So I like you put the Sparko
seatbelt covers to match my lanyard for my keys.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah, I'm not doing anything too major until my black box goes, because it's my first year of driving. They'll probably think, oh, boy racer. So I'm going to put the spoiler on next year. Not next year, in 6 months time, sorry. I'm putting my number plates on Thursday because it's my birthday and I'm getting them for obviously my birthday, so there'll probably be a video of me putting them on and that. Liam's getting his number plates when they actually go live, because at the minute they're on like a pre-auction thing.
Yeah.
Like a pre-buy thing.
Yeah, I can't buy them yet, so
No,
I've got to wait for it.
Because of the 18, and obviously it hasn't fully passed or something, 18, but we're in 2019. I don't know the DVLA sense, but yeah.
So yeah, I'm not sure on a style I'm going to get yet, whether I'm going to get 4D or just...
Yeah, 4D or gel or...
But that'll be something nearer time in a future video anyway, when I do get them, so... Yeah.
Yeah, we'll be going to probably loads of car events this year, later on, obviously when show season's back, and we'll be vlogging them as well, so...
Shaun on this year.
Yeah.
Definitely going to that this time.
Yeah. Yeah, in September, so... Yeah, I'll probably be going to Santa Pod in June, and there's another one with fuel heads in March. It's near the end of March, so could go to that.
Yeah, definitely. There'll be a few events coming up that we'll definitely go along to anyway, so we'll like pictures and vlog it and stuff.
Yeah, and show you guys around and what we do basically.
Yeah.
So if you've got any question, just comment down below. Tell me what you think of my car. Obviously I haven't done much to it, but I will be. I did try and film my oil change today, but it didn't really go to plan, so...
It's one of those things, and I think people don't understand sometimes. When YouTubers say they'll try and do something, it doesn't always go that way, because I've tried recording me installing my dash cam to my car, didn't plan out.
No.
It was too dark to record it, so sometimes it's not our fault, it's like down to a little...
Yeah, like it was too windy, my tripod was just falling over, and...
Yeah.
I couldn't do, like, our hands were dirty and I have to take my gloves off, and so I just didn't bother in the end because it was too much hassle.
One thing I'm going to be doing to my car as well is obviously stickers and stuff. So I'm going to start like probably repping like my own stickers, and if people want to like send out some stickers, like Ben, if he wanted to send like a sticker to me, I'll put that on my car.
Yeah, and I'll do the same to Liam. I'll just put it on basically the back glass on the boot. And basically that's like a sticker wall.
Yeah. He's repping a few at the moment, so...
Yeah. So yeah, I think that's going to be the end of this video. Like I said, go down in the description and follow and subscribe to their channels. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.